So guys, good morning. Yesterday I didn't make the video because of some national securities, as I have been giving you also many warning signals in the last video, not this one, the last one, which is 2 days ago. And also in the previous 4 videos, I gave you many signs when to wait, when the attack will take place. And this is something because of national security on the other side. I have in both countries, in Israel and Iran, a lot of friends and relations or friends who are like family to me. Therefore, I'm not going to mention it very highly, but I'm making this video as a big thank you for all my followers in Tradingview, in Instagram, and also here in YouTube. All the people have been supporting me since during the last weeks, especially during the last weeks. And therefore, guys, before I'm going in detail now, what is happening at this moment and what you should be aware of, you wanna visit me on my Instagram. The link is below this video. You can put a comment below this video and then you write me or DM me, send me just a message, private message on Instagram, and then you get from me the trade plan for the next 7 days. And I'm not going to publish that trade plan on Tradingview, nor I am going to mention that here in video, because this is a special thank you only for all the people who are watching these videos, liking it, subscribed me, followed me, and contacted me during all time. If you are new, doesn't matter, go on Instagram, DM me, and send a message, and you get instantly then during the next hours the trading plan. Okay, so don't hurry. Well, as I told you, we have seen this is Solana, and Solana is very, very important. Why? That's a very early indicator that the tech and Bitcoin will start to go down as they are doing at right moment. And we see that the weeks is the second indicator is dramatically now going down, going up. So we see here the green one are the very important weeks numbers I have been programming. They are increased during the last 2 days. We have seen yesterday Bitcoin did around 4%, Solana more than nearly 6%, Ethereum the same, and NASDAQ a little bit higher but started to struggle. The S&P 500 the same, and Bitcoin went up. On the same time, we had a correction as I was promising it. I was expecting to come down to around 80, but at 81.35, it started to consolidate. But I'm coming very, very soon also to traders or trading friends who are mainly trading the CL. So we go in detail, okay? So why is it very important, guys? Well, at this moment, you have been seeing that the market is extremely nervous. Then we had the correction, the news agencies. Therefore, I didn't do the video yesterday because I wanted you also to analyze yourself and see and compare with what I'm saying. Guys, I told you, the Wall Street is making the news, and the very important news will be released when? At the weekend, guys. Today is Friday, right? That means the news will be released on Saturday or Sunday when you have no possibility to trade. If you're trading crypto, for example, with the Oanda, then you are really, I'm sorry for you, because Oanda will stop trading tomorrow afternoon or today afternoon. But if you are with another broker and trading via Coinbase or maybe other brokers who are trading also 7 days a week, then you're a very lucky guy. So because you will see the first impacts will happen during the weekend. But if you're trading other markets like stocks, S&P, crude oil, whatever, then you will have, starting that, with a very big surprise on next week. Why? Because this weekend is gonna happen. The first one is the tweet of Netanyahu, the Prime Minister of Israel, who we have seen that during the last days, a lot of diplomats of many nations, especially Europeans, who are very big allies of Iran. They don't say it. Of course, they're sanctioning guys, but let's talk real guys. You have been watching, or you can look for the Israel UN member of the United Nations member, or his speech in front of the United Nations, and that's at the channel of CNN, I think. What he was saying, I never have been hearing a politician talking the truth so directly, and he was revealing everything in this speech, what we know, but nobody is talking about. There are a lot of nations who say we are on the side of Israel, but they have big negotiations with Iran, and therefore are trying to stop Israel. So there are big allies of Iran. As I told you, I have in both countries a lot of friends, so I'm phoning, if possible, especially to Iran, because the internet is dramatically weak, also shut down. Then I heard that some of my very best friends who are there have been arrested just because of no reason, guys. So therefore I'm not going to mention it very deeply, okay? So I hope you understand me, please. That's very dramatically. Whatever those countries, therefore the Israeli government shut down totally. They went off. They went muted. They muted all the channels, all the communication calls, even to the United States during the last days. But I think they have been planning also. I think that France, England, and Great Britain and United States, they will participate in any way in this war. Whatever, Netanyahu some hours ago published a tweet that after the Passover, this is a Jewish celebrity festival or fest that's beginning on Monday and will take 8 days. So, and in Jewish religion, in the first 2 days of Passover, you have no permission to work, to do any kinds of activity, whatever. But guys, we are in war. Do you really think that Israel will still sit down silently? And I can't prove it to you. Until the last 20 minutes, Solana was rising up, and now Solana is coming down suddenly, and the VIX is going to heaven. Then we'll look here at Bitcoin was at over near of 64, and suddenly you see 3% down in less than 20 minutes. So I will go to another time frame, guys. That's exactly what I told you. And the news media even don't know that, guys. Right? In this channel, you get the first class news, guys. So feel lucky, guys. I told you, we are a very strong community. We hold together. Look here. We see here that Bitcoin suddenly down. You see here VIX steady going to green. The other indicators, these four are power selling. Then the same happened to Ethereum. And Ethereum, look at this. It's beginning to fall, guys. It's beginning to fall. And last not least, now I come to my secret weapon. From 81.90, oil is going up, guys. If you have no oil, go in oil. You know the plan I told you. Just go in oil. That's the best hedge. Oil is going now into the sky. And Israel started to strike, guys. They will tell you, or they are doing something, very high activities. And the rich guy know that exactly, guys. So you got the news here at first, guys. Before doing anything, take your positions, crypto short, stock short, oil long. This is the plan. Again, crypto short, Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum, whatever, short. Stocks, indices, short. Oil, long, power long, guys, aggressively. Go in, trail your stops immediately, then at the best possibility to break even with a little profit and let the market run. Let the market run. The traders who are sleeping now, they come tomorrow in 6-7 hours at the office, and they will immediately react to the news. But you are, who are listening here, you are the first one, guys. Even you are no Wall Street guys, no Wall Street traders. You are the first traders, okay? So I am monitoring, and my team, we are monitoring since the last week. And I tell you, I have been sleeping during the last days, maximum 2 hours a day. So monitoring everything. And now it's happening. Exactly like I told you. The news agency don't know it either. And we are the first one, guys. And don't believe what the media will tell you. If they are telling anything, they have no clue, guys, because there are no traders like you and me. And we know what happened last weekend. The main events happen always on the holidays, on vacations, especially at the weekends, okay? That's the secret trick of the Wall Street guys. Okay, so I stopped talking. You want to share the video, subscribe to the channel, follow me, like it, whatever. But before doing that, immediately take the trade. You take the trade, and then if you see this big long move, then it can be possible that also in sometime then, especially in oil, the market comes down because some people take profit, and then the others think the market will collapse down, and then they start massively to buy. So these are the first guys, okay? I am already in the market since 81.30. I was buying the whole time during the last 3-4 days. Oil, and oil is the best hedge. Meaning if you make, for example, in other market a little bit losses, but this profit of the oil will save you. That's when at the end of the week, at the end of the month, your account is big and full with dollars and euro, whatever. And remember, trading has always risk. If you do something wrong, you can lose everything. I must say that, okay? But we are traders, and this is our business. Our business as trader is we deal with the risk, and this is the chance, okay? So guys, we see here now, at this moment, we are at 84.52. We see here again. So these are volume charts, and in 60 minutes, then we want to go to hourly charts, guys, and let's see what's happening there. All right, guys, you see here, right, how it's breaking out of channel. Some people say this is liquidity. This is bullshit, guys. The Israelis are striking and everything is muted. Satellites are off. Everything muted. The world is unsecure, right? And it's not only oil, guy. Look here, S&P. Look at the numbers, right? Just see how the numbers go down. And gold to moon, we see here. Just look at the numbers. Solana from plus 6% down to minus 7% right now. Ethereum from plus 5% down to minus 4%. Bitcoin now minus 4% from plus 6%. 10% down immediately, right? I told you the signs. I told you what will happen, guys, and it's not too late. All right? Take your trades. Just do it. Put your stop. Trail your stop immediately. And I know you get a little bit nervous. Trail your stop and to your break even and let it go. Let the market go. During the next days, we will have big moves, okay? If you have good and strong nerves. If not, that's okay too. All right? Everybody is different, guys. All right, guys, I wish you a very profitable day and week. But if I know something new, then I'm gonna make also some videos. But this is the most important videos. You are the first one who is watching this.